Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about statistics. The topic that is about chi-square test. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the number of the people. We have the sample proportions. The first thing we need to find the observations in here. To calculate this one, we need to use the number of the people. We multiply by the proportion in here. And we got the value. Now we need to find the total for this one, and this one. Later that we go to this one and this one. So we got like this and this one. So we got like this. Now we can find the total in here. There should be about 1000. Or maybe you can go to this way. Now about expectation. To calculate about this expectation, we need to use the value of this one. We multiply by this one. We divide by 1000. That's about the total in here. So we can find the expectation of this location in here. Now we can do similar for the next one. So we got like this. Now we need to find the sum. Now about the calculation, we want to find about the chi-square. So that should be about this location in here. So to calculate this one, so we need to use about the observation in here. We need to minus about expectation in here. Everything to the power of 2 over the expectation in here. And we got the value like this. Now we need to sum all value together. So if we round the number in here, that should be 7.09. This is the end. Thank you for watching.